In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to change password on Opay business account app. So whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone, you can still follow the same process. All you just need to do, just open your Opay business app. So you can see just like this one. So then the next thing you're going to do is just click on the top right left icon, three line like that. So you just click on that, then it's gonna take you straight down to this page. So scroll all the way down, then click on the settings right here, then you're gonna see the security payment method. So just click on the security settings, then you're gonna see password option. So just click on that, then you can see change password. So just click on change password if you want to change the password. Then enter your password. So they're gonna ask you to input the password that you're already using, and then once it's verified, there will be an option for you where you can actually input the new password that you want to be using on this business Opay business app.